Okay, you're welcome once more. Let's do the second example on JSON Limited. This question is a little bit different from the former one we did. It has a lot of entries. This one, it's not like the other one that we did, which has only application. This one, it has a lot of entries there. We have on application, on allotment, on first call, and on final second call. Okay, I'll read out the question. JSON Limited issued out 10,000 ordinary shares at 1 naira each, payable as follows. 10 kobo on application, 20 kobo on allotment, 40 kobo on first call, and 30 kobo on second call. You are required to show the ledger account to record the above transaction. Okay, so this one is different from the former one, as I said earlier on. The first thing to do is to know if these shares are issued at par or at premium or at discount. What you need to do is you add all the issuing prices. That's, let me do it here, 10 kobo plus 20 kobo plus 40 kobo plus 30 kobo. So when you look at it, let's add it. 10, 30, that is 70, 100. That's 100 kobo. And 100 kobo makes 1 naira, isn't it? So that means the issuing price is still 1 naira. It was issued at par. It was not issued at discount. It was issued at the nominal value. That's how to know the issuing, whether the person is issuing at par or at premium or at discount. So once you're done with this, then you come down and do what we call working. I told this one is different from the former one. Come here, application. When the share was issued on application, the same 10,000 shares were issued on application. You multiply it by the monetary value, which is 10 kobo. The same thing with the allotment. Allotment. It was issued at 20 kobo. First call was issued at 40 kobo. Then final call or second call was issued at 30 kobo. So we do the calculation here. This will give us 1,000 naira. This will give us 2,000 naira. This will give us 3,000. This will give us 4,000. This will give us 3,000 naira. So once you're done, when you add these values, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 3,000 will give you the unit of shares that were issued. Yes, for the par, please. This for when the shares are issued at par will still give you 10,000 naira. That's how to know whether you are right. Okay, once you're done with this, then we'll go to the journal entries. So journal entries. You have your debit, you have your credit. Okay. Now, the first application, if you can recall, according to the format you are having, the money will be received all. When the money will be received, they will all pass through the bank account. So you start with the bank for application. Bank will receive 1,000 naira, and then application is the one giving out that. Okay, then you have 1,000 naira on the credit side, being what, if you can recall, being payment, being money, let's make it this way, received on application. See? Okay, you close this one. The next one, on allotment, is still bank, it will pass through the bank also. How much is for the allotment? Based on our calculation, 2,000 naira. Okay, the bank will be receiving 2,000 naira. Then you write allotment 2,000 naira. Okay, being what? The reason is being money received on allotment. Close this one too. The next one, first call. It will also pass through the bank. How much for first call? 4,000 naira. You write 4,000 naira, and then application. Oh, sorry, a first call. The amount is 4,000 naira. Being money received on first call. Then we get another one, which is the next one is final call. That's second call. Okay. Okay, I started with second call. The second call, the amount is 3,000 naira. You credit this 3,000 naira, then bank, you have 3,000 naira. Being money received on second call. Do this one. Okay, you can see it all. Now, then we go to the other part of it. These shares that were issued or on application, allotment, first call, and final call, they are all share. They form part of the capital of that business. That means we call them share capital, ordinary share capital. So then we're going to open for the ordinary shares for all these. We open for the ordinary shares for all these. You start with the application. You go to first call, go to second call, allotment, first call, and second call. So you start with application 2,000 1,000 naira, and then share capital, that is the ordinary share capital, ordinary share capital, it's the same thing. How much? 1,000 naira. You close it. Okay, the next one is allotment. You do the same thing with allotment. Okay, how much is for allotment? For allotment is 2,000 naira. Okay, then you write share capital 2,000 naira. Close this one too. The next one is first call. First call 4,000 naira. Okay, and share capital also 4,000 naira. And the last one is second call. 3,000 naira. Then share capital 3,000 naira. So you close this one too. So remember that this one you have narration, being money received on application, being money received on, okay, let me write it, being money received on application, app. This one being money received on allotment. Then this one being money received on final call. FC, please, you can do that, you can put it there. Then this one being money received on second call. Okay, we're done with the journal. So now that we are done with the journal, the next thing is to open the ledgers. We're going to open the ledgers. I'll pause this one. This for the journal, then we'll do for the ledgers.